I'm going to show you how to switch your YouTube accounts on Android. This is going to be super easy for you guys. Just watch the video to the very end to avoid any mistake. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now to get this done, first of all, you need to launch your YouTube app. Then you need to tap on your profile icon on your bottom right corner. Then you need to tap on the settings icon on your top right corner. Then tap on switch account. Then you are going to select your Google account where you want to switch your YouTube account. So you're just going to tap the Google account or your YouTube account. Then you will be able to switch to your account. So that's it guys, that's how you can simply switch your YouTube account. If you found value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.